know everybody's busy. We've been hit repeatedly with the green laser when everybody has a chance to make it 4516 Gila Avenue for a contact. Suspect half just got out of a car. He's going to be a male, short sleeve shirt and short pants, just got out of a black Hyundai. Parked in front of that address. The suspect half is moving now toward Joplin, probably going to be eastbound. He has a wallet chain in his left pocket, short the alley, walking with a female. They're walking eastbound toward Clairemont Drive. Actually, they're in the west alley now of Clairemont Drive, northbound 611 Johnny Dover. Black short sleeve shirt, tan shorts, maybe black shoes. So they're definitely trying to hide from us on the orbit. They know they're being watched. They're still northbound in the west alley of Clairemont Drive.
We're northbound in the west alley.
So yeah, car's pulled backing out right in front of you. It's that small Mitsubishi SUV. The sergeant's going to be making contact shortly. And okay, they're going to be pulling away southbound the alley. 157 California, 8 X-ray Victor, Paul 692. If you want to wait for a cover, we can help. Just follow. Looks like a black and white's going to be coming to the mouth of the alley now, actually, for cover. Suspect half is in the back driver's side seat, so the back left seat is going to be the suspect. If that vehicle now wants to just get behind it, line it up, I'm with you for cover. What are we doing? 2 minutes now. They're making the stop at the corner of Gila and Joplin.
Our plate is showing 29. It's current on a 20 Mitsubishi.
You said it was the back passenger?
Back driver's side passenger. Black shirt, tan shorts, male, shaved head, or short hair.
Looks like a bunch of J's in my car.
Okay, well, for one of the units that just pulled up there on Joplin, can you go about 3 houses north on Gila and check a black Hyundai to see if it's occupied?
125 Airport.
If you feel comfortable, you might want to just drive past the stop.
115 Sam. Can you 10-9? I have 2 units walking along the east curb line here. Are you saying they should take a vehicle up?
No, it's fine. You're halfway there. It's going to be that black Hyundai on the other side of the street under a palm tree. These 2 J's got out of that car, and because it's just watching the stop take place, I'm just not sure if there's anybody else inside it we should know about. Yeah, look, one of the units from the stop, so D2, clear there. Okay, Sergeant, sorry with you. We're going to go to Imperial Beach to help with the pursuit. As you know, it's funny. He hit us repeatedly a lot of times. I understand that there are J's, and obviously you can use your discretion. Whatever you see fit is fine with us. I'll be able to impound a video if you need, and I can get you this section, the penal code if you need.
Just of the male with the black shirt, tan short, and shaved head that was trying to laser at you, right?
That's correct.
10-4. And then did you see if he dropped it anywhere that we need to go back to recover it at all, or 10-22?
167, 1087.
22 King, media is 97.
Charging a laser at an aircraft.
And then just to clarify, you said he hit you about 10 times and you're on the 647 call for strength for this?
Yeah, total between working that previous call and then the air was busy, but because we were being hit, we just loitered while as he just cleared up, but then we directed you doing.
And for 10 to 15 times, and then we will need you to impound the video footage on that if you can, and then we're in the process of calling the hall right now, see what they can do for it.
So a total of about 10. I can try to review the tape. I wonder if I can do that quickly for you. We'll probably get interrupted by other calls, but I would say about 10 times and copy everything else. Get the tape number in probably about an hour when we return to the base.
And media is 97.
Media 97, 10 cars.